Good day, viewers. My name is Wayford. Welcome to another version of my C++ tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll be talking about random numbers. I believe we shouldn't be new to random numbers. So, what random number is generally is just to get a particular type of number depending on the algorithm the system is working on, or depending on the algorithm the program is using. So I'm about to start up a fresh program now. So okay, this is just a simple program to print in an hello world. If you're using the code block, by default when you open your new program you get the hello world in it, but we don't need this crap. Let's just get it out of our sight. So to make use of random numbers, we need the keyword rand. RAND. So that's how to make use of. So write rand. So to actually make use of this, let's see how this. See how. So the reason why I'm getting an error was because there is a library we actually need to make use of that would help us to make use of the random numbers. It's called the include C standard library. So when you've actually added this to your program, then you can just run the program. So you can see the output. We got 41. That's actually a random number. So let's say we want to print out like some couple of random numbers. So let's add it to a loop. A is less than or equal to 10. Let's say A plus plus. So into. So now this simple program is gonna print out 10 random numbers. Oops. Actually, these numbers are random, but I don't like the way it's splitted everything like this. So let's add this to it to make it look more interesting. So let's run this. So you can see now we have a random number. But there's one thing about these random numbers. It actually looks random to us, but it is not random. Looking at this, we got 41, 1864, 63. Look at this carefully, and let me run it again. Every time we run this, we get the same random numbers. Let me run it for the third time. You can see we are still getting the same numbers. So it's actually random, but it's not random. So to actually alter this a bit to make it look more interesting, then there's something called CDS random. DS random. So this is how it works. So if we actually put a number here like 34, we run this, we got 149, 127, blah blah blah. Then we change this to 30. Look at this, 139. Look at this carefully. This is 136, 2491. Let's change the number again to 39. You can see it is different. So even if we had to use the same number, let's use 39 again. We got 165,923. Let's use it again. 165,923. You can see it's random. It's just like we're changing the algorithm of the program. So we haven't actually gotten the random number we are looking for. So there's also a library called the CTime. So this will actually make us get a random number. So let's include this to the program called the CTime. So what this program does is, for every second we add to run this program, the algorithm of the program should change. So this is how to make use of the C random. You write time into bracket 0. So let's run this. So we got 2650918 blah blah blah. Let's look at this 26509. Okay, let's say 26181814. Let's run this again. We got 2618. You can see it is different. Let's run it over again. 263615. It is still different. You can see 26 whatever. So we have actually gotten a random number. So when we are running our program, you see the number we are getting are different type of numbers. We get hundreds, thousands, we get tens, we get hundreds. So it depends, depending on the program we actually want to write. So let's assume we want to write a program that would actually print a certain number. Let's say a dice, for example. So you want to print out numbers that will just be between 1 and 6. So that is where we need to make use of the modulus. So to include the modulus, it needs to come here. I think we all know what modulus is. Modulus is used to return the remainder of a division. So then we need to put it in a bracket. So now what this program does is, for every number is in the program which I don't know, just divide it by 6 and then return the remainder. So no matter how it's gonna divide the number and it's returning the remainder, it's gonna be less than 6. So let's run this. So you see we got 0 2 6 5 blah blah blah. You can see 620. Here we have 222 6000. So you can see we got a random number. But using a dice for example, we know, okay, yeah, dice has a 0. Does it? No, I think it has 1. Dice doesn't have a 0. So but here we have a 0 0 whatever, and we want to restrict it between numbers from 1 to 6. So then we need to add something in front of this program. Yeah, we need to include 1 plus. So whatever the program, whatever the output of the modulus is gonna be, just add 1 to it. So that's what it's saying. So even if the output is gonna be 1, then an additional 1 will be added to the 0, so makes it 1. So that's how we get the random numbers. So let's run this and see. You can see 1 3 blah 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 blah. Then we run it again. 1 1 5 5 5. Oops. We actually got 7 here. So the last program we run, I got 7. That was because even if the modulus is gonna give us 6, then adding 1 to it will increase the program to 7. So to restrict the program from getting up to 6, then I think we should reduce this to 5. So there won't be 0 and there won't be 7. So let's run this again and see. So that's 5 6 blah blah blah. Let's run this again. Sorry, you can see program is restricted to 1 to 6. So that is how to get a random number. Thank you for watching. And on my next tutorial, before I begin the tutorial, I will introduce you to something about random again. Thank you for watching. Peace.